Today I will be showing you how I safely package my sugar cookies for shipping. I have my bubble wrap here and some scotch tape. When packaging the cookies, you will want to set 2 cookies back to back like this. And next, we'll cut a strip of bubble wrap wide enough to fit the cookies. I'll make sure that I safely tape the cookies up. I don't want them to wiggle around. I'll gently place the cookies on the bubble wrap, and it's best to match the same shaped cookies back to back, but if you're not able to do that, I highly recommend matching shapes that are somewhat similar in size. That way the cookies could ship as safely as possible when they're traveling. So I like using these boxes to ship my cookies. You will want something sturdy, flat, something like this box or a tub or a container, but I do recommend something flat like this. This will give you the best outcome. When placing the cookies inside the box, I want to make sure that they are in the best position. It'll either be laying down or sitting up like this, just depending on the shape. Here I am packaging 2 dozen cookies, so I'll move the cookies around and check to see what is the best positioning for them. And I always like to put the bigger cookies at the bottom and the smaller cookies on top. When packaging the cookies, you do not want them to be wiggling around. This will increase their chances of breaking. So I will make sure that they're nice and snug. So as I mentioned, you do not want the cookies to be wiggling around. So I will fill in all of the empty spots with more bubble wrap. Over the year and a half, I've tried many different ways, and this way of packaging the cookies has had the best outcome, and I've received really great feedback using this method. Once I fill in all of the empty spots with bubble wrap, I will do a wiggle test to make sure that the cookies do not move around. And if everything feels fine, then I'm ready to close up the box. So once I have the cookies safely packaged in the first box, I will bring out the second box for shipping. And again, the same rules apply. You do not want the box to move around at all. So I'll save these little airbags that we receive when we order things online. If possible, I like to place one on each side. I'll cut up more bubble wrap just to fill in every little possible area. Once everything is nice and snug, I'm ready to tape up the rest of the box and get these cookies on their way.